guys, I'm Savannah.
And I'm Desiree.
And together we're Savannah Ray. And today we're going to be doing the yoga challenge. If you don't already know what this challenge is, what you do is you get a bunch of yoga poses and then you try to copy them and see how good you are at them.
Yeah.
So,
should we get started?
Let's get started. See us, right? See it now? Oh, no. Oh!
Real quick, I want to see if you can see.
Because I can stand back.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So our first yoga pose we're going to be doing is going to be on the screen, but it's this one. I'm going to be the dude, okay?
You're going to be the dude?
Yeah. So
You're doing, go.
I'm right here, yeah.
No, the other way.
No, I'm right here.
On top of your back.
Put your back to the camera.
Come on, I know what to do. Okay.
Oh my god. No, I can't. You go. Yoga! We did it.
It's so difficult, actually.
Why was that difficult? Next time we're going to be doing is this one. Okay, ready?
Okay. Wait, I don't know if I can do this.
Your butt's so soft. Okay, one more time then. Touch my butt for a second and then like adjust our arms. Okay? Don't touch my butt. Touch butt first and then we'll like speed up. Like,
Okay.
Okay, ready? So hard.
Why is that so difficult?
I'm dying.
You're supposed to be like a sandwich.
We did good. I bet we're gonna watch this and be like, oh, that looked pretty good.
I bet not.
You
Okay, are you gonna be the guy?
Yeah, I'm the guy. I'm always the guy. You can't carry me.
Guys.
That's literally a girl. She's wearing a bra. I'm always in this pose.
Okay, go lower. Put your feet back more. This way. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, no.
Look back.
Can you support me?
Yeah, I can support you. Savannah, I can't move.
Because my back cracked.
I know. I started laughing because your head was right where my butt was. You know?
You're not the center at all.
Oh,
Does it matter?
no.
Put your butt down a little.
How do I do that?
Like, put your legs, like, go straight. This is good. Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll tell you when I got it.
Yo, I got it! Are you okay? You just fell off. This one.
That one's so
I think you do this one. Don't let go. All you're gonna
You
have.
can do that?
Yeah.
I can't even do that. Okay, I'll try not to.
Oh my god, this hurts so much already.
Okay, yeah, let's do it again.
Okay.
I gotta put my hands like this on you. I'm so
It's
sorry.
been a while since I've even done this. My hair's everywhere.
I'm like actually crying.
God, it's so hot.
I should turn the fan on. Yeah.
What? Why wasn't the fan on the whole
I
time?
don't know, I didn't think it'd get that hot. I think we're just hot because we were laughing.
Yeah,
I actually fell
when
like
I
7
laugh,
times.
I sweat so much. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and make sure to watch part 2 on Desiree's channel.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Bye. You would have to flip the camera around.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm recording.